Hello and welcome to Ben's Ramblings. I've got another Blackstone New Products 2021 video. This is part 5. We are specifically talking today about the Prep, Serve, and Store carts which Blackstone has just released. There are 3 different models. Let's go through them. The first product we have already looked at in part 3 of the series. That is the Blackstone Adventure Ready Prep, Serve, and Store cart. Tote showed a video of this, what it's like to unfold it, take it out of the box, all those sorts, or not take it out of the box, but Tote showed what it's like to unfold this, put it all together. This is a portable, adventure-ready unit made for camp kitchen setup. So it folds up into a nice little briefcase-sized package, a 60-pound briefcase, but a briefcase-sized package. It has paper towel holder, garbage bag holder. This side shelf is to put your 17 or your 22-inch Blackstone on. It's got 3 of these prep containers with covers and 3 tool holders, which all go into the slat wall so you can put them wherever you want, as well as these soft fabric shelves underneath. So this is $197 on Blackstone. This is available in stores now. A number of people have picked this up in their local Walmarts. I think more down south where it's warm. I know up here in New York, they really don't have these in stock for the most part. The next model is the Blackstone Original Series Prep cart. This prep cart, out of the 3 prep carts, does not have the slat wall system that you see in the Adventure Ready, and the next one, which I'll show you, which is the Pro Series, does have paper towel holder, garbage bag holder, bottle opener. The shelves do collapse. So you see there, they do collapse, make it a little more compact for storage. You could definitely put a 17 or a 22-inch Blackstone on here, so if you do have a 17 or 22 that you typically use for camping, you're looking for where to put it when you are home and don't have the stands that come as options with the 17 or the 22, this may be an option. Again, it's nice because it does have 2 drawers. You could store your tools in there. It does have a shelf. Let's go through the description here. This one does happen to be in stock at my local Walmart. So again, these are available in stores. Large stainless steel workspace, 2 folding side trays, bottle opener, paper towel holder, trash bag holder. One thing it doesn't mention that is in the photos on the box, somebody happened to take a photo and post this on a Facebook group, is that the bottom drawer has a plug in it. So I think you could use that bottom drawer as almost like a ice chest if you were having a party, load it up with ice, throw some beer, soda, whatever you want to put in there, water, and then at the end pull the drain and let that all drain out. So that may be a nice option. I don't think it's stainless steel, so I don't know how long-term, how durable that is as a solution, but good to know. Next is the Pro Series. So here's the Blackstone Pro Series 347. So just to go back quickly, the Adventure Ready is $197. The Original Series is $247, and then the Pro Series is $347 on Blackstone.com. Not a lot of pictures of this one. Garbage bag holder, bottle opener, magnet for your tools. It does have 4 small drawers, 2 larger drawers, and a cabinet. It has a removable sink. The cover folds down and has that slat wall system in it when you open it up. It also has a work light at the top here, which you can kind of see here. I believe that's the work light there. So it looks like it's probably battery operated. This little panel here seems to be where you would remove it, plug in some batteries, LED light with a little orange button there. So locking casters. Let's see, here we go. 4 small drawers, large cabinet, 2 large bottom drawers, cleanup surprise, bottle opener, trash bag holder, prep light, slats for the tool hangers and storage containers, and shelves fold down to store space, save space. I guess once you fold it up, you'd have to take that sink out and put it in the cabinet or the drawer. I don't know if there's a drain in the sink. That's not really clear, and I assume that the faucet gets hooked up to a garden hose. So those are the 3 prep and serve carts. To go with that, Blackstone has released this 10-piece storage tote. Again, I've also showed this in part 3, but I'll show it quickly here again. $50. It's a storage tote which comes with, let's find the picture here, these 4 containers and their lids, which go in the box. The 3 smaller containers will fit into the slat wall systems of either the Adventure Ready or the Pro Series Prep and Serve store cart. The medium-sized one here does not. The larger container also obviously does not fit into that slat wall system. One cool thing about this is that the lid for the large container is a serving tray. So you can see it there, and it looks like just pretty much any other serving tray, plastic serving tray you've seen. So it's a nice little feature to give you a little bit of an idea how big those containers are. You can see here there's, a little more than half a dozen eggs in the medium-sized container. This larger one fits the Blackstone oil bottle and some egg rings and a bunch of stuff. So decent size. I'm not going to go into this a lot. We did look at this in part 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of more Blackstone product videos and accessories and my cooking. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.